We will be making a spinach salad with yogurt today. Let's add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to a pot. Let's now add the rinsed and chopped spinach to it, and sprinkle some salt on it. After turning on the heat, I am putting its lid on and waiting for a minute. You will see the spinach sinking to the bottom. You can then add the rest of the spinach you previously couldn't fit in the pot. Let's sprinkle some salt on it, put the lid back on, and wait for another minute again so that the spinach shrinks. Then on low heat, let's mix the spinach so that it doesn't burn. I am stirring it from time to time and putting the lid back on again. In a bowl of yogurt, I am adding 4 cloves of garlic. I am also sprinkling half a teaspoon of salt to it. Let's mix it thoroughly and leave it aside. I am now taking the spinach out of the pot and putting it on a serving plate. Let's also pour the yogurt sauce on it. You can sprinkle some dried mint on top of it as well. Enjoy!